Hi guys, it's Evan today, and we're doing the bottle tricks. I'm quite bad at it, but I'm trying to have a go. So yeah, here we go. I'm just going to show you a little vid of my dog. He's trying to catch flies. Just try and get Lily. Try and get her attention. Lily, Lily, get your flies. Get your flies. Lily. Oh, there, Lily. Oh, Lily. I'll get your toy then. Shall I get your toy? Shall I get your bone? I'll get your other toy. Okay. She's just stupid. So, here comes the bottle tricks. You hear her panting. It's really annoying, so, yeah. So, I've got any random bottle here, as you can see. It's called a Thirsty. So I drank it before because I was thirsty. Anyway, if you had like a sort of size, these bottles about 15 centimeters or maybe a bit more, fill it up to about there, because then it feels the weight of when you flick it up. Okay, I'll probably fail first time, but I'll just have some goes. Move, Lily. Before I got it 7 in a row, so I'll just keep on trying, and then once I get used to it, I'll throw some more high ones. And in this video, I'll be doing backwards. Not bad, but not close. Okay, this is what normal people do. Mum, look at this. So here comes a really far throw. Oh, well, close. I'm going to do some more far throws. Oh. I'll do proper spinning. Ooh. Oh, this is getting quite boring now because I'm not even getting it on. Oh, you say that counted, but I don't think it was. I'm quite bad at this. Right, this is called the double trick shot. Try and land it on the lid. That's not even harder. I need to try and get it. Come on! You can do it. Come on. I'll start getting a bit cocky, so yeah. Try and do it with my foot. Does not work, but try again. Nah. I'll do it really high. Oh! Come on, guys. Oh! Oh! Get it, man! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! It hurts me! Alright, this is getting really boring. Oh, and the bottle's leaking. From under there. Squirrel dog. Ah! Billy! Billy! Watch this. Come here! Come here! What's this? What is it? Billy! What is it? Billy! Come here! Billy! Come on! Look how cute she is. What is it? He's on the rampage. Okay, it's boring now, so it's about round, I don't know, but about 10. I mean 21. So let's go. Bottle trick shot. Okay, please subscribe and like. I'm putting lots more videos on, but I've only one's uploading now, so please subscribe, like, and more views. And I'll subscribe on yours if I know who you are and that. So thank you. Bye.